wonder whether one person can fit steel framed roof rack. We'll see. I think you can. Yeah. You just need to be very careful. I'm taking down the wipers and this front shield cover. I'm taking down the wipers. What? This cover thing. As you can see, this is all rusted to bits, so I'll try to replace it. Alright guys, so what I've done is I've painted the corners. To be quite honest with you, for a spray paint job it looks absolutely brilliant. I have put about 5 coats of spray paint, and before I put the spray paint I did put a primer on it, so it's gonna be there for a while. Next on the agenda is the wiper arms. So as you can see, they just oxidize over the years. So we're painting them next. I need to put something inside them so we won't paint the little notches inside. So I'm just gonna use all of those clips. Sits in nicely. Okay, primer applied. I'll give it about an hour or so. And we're gonna put the first coat of black paint.